Start with a clean slate is an idiomatic expression that conveys the idea of beginning anew or afresh, without any preconceived notions, prejudices, or burdens from the past. It suggests starting with a fresh and unblemished start, as if one were writing on an empty, clean slate or chalkboard. This phrase is often used in various contexts to emphasize the opportunity for a fresh start or a reset, whether in personal, professional, or even societal situations. The underlying message is that individuals or entities have the chance to leave behind past mistakes, conflicts, or baggage, and approach a situation with a renewed sense of openness, fairness, and optimism. In personal development and self-improvement, starting with a clean slate is a concept that encourages individuals to let go of grudges, regrets, or negative experiences from the past. It promotes the idea of forgiving oneself and others, allowing personal growth, and embracing a more positive outlook on life. It can be particularly valuable for individuals seeking to break free from patterns of self-doubt or self-sabotage. In the realm of relationships, starting with a clean slate can be applied when two parties want to resolve conflicts or rebuild trust. It signifies a commitment to putting aside past grievances and judgments to create a fresh beginning with open communication and mutual understanding. In the workplace, this expression is relevant when teams or organizations wish to implement new strategies, policies, or projects. It encourages a mindset that is open to change, innovation, and cooperation without being hindered by past failures or resistance to new ideas. In legal contexts, starting with a clean slate can refer to the expungement of a person's criminal record, giving them a chance to reintegrate into society without the stigma of past convictions. On a societal level, the concept can be applied when communities or nations seek to move past historical conflicts, injustices, or divisions. It signifies a commitment to reconciliation, healing, and unity, often through truth and reconciliation processes or initiatives. One of the key benefits of starting with a clean slate is the opportunity for personal and collective growth. It allows individuals and groups to learn from past experiences, make amends when necessary, and move forward with a sense of hope and determination. It can lead to improved relationships, increased creativity, and a more inclusive and harmonious environment. However, it's important to recognize that starting with a clean slate does not mean ignoring or denying past mistakes or injustices. Instead, it involves acknowledging them, taking responsibility when appropriate, and then actively working toward positive change and reconciliation. In conclusion, start with a clean slate is a metaphorical expression that signifies the opportunity to begin anew without the burdens or preconceptions of the past. It encourages personal growth, forgiveness, reconciliation, and a fresh outlook on life, relationships, work, and society. It serves as a reminder that, no matter the past, there is always the potential for positive change and a brighter future.